Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Realtek HD Audio Manager not showing in Windows 10, so you can restore your sound settings easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES together on your keyboard to open Task Manager, which is a built-in Windows tool used to manage running apps and startup programs. Task Manager helps you control which applications start when your computer boots. This is important because Realtek HD Audio Manager may be disabled from startup. Step 2. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Startup tab located at the top of the window. The Startup tab shows all programs that launch automatically when Windows starts. This section allows you to enable or disable essential services like the Realtek HD Audio Manager. Step 3. Look for Realtek HD Audio Manager in the list of startup programs. If you see its status as disabled, it means it will not open automatically when your system starts. This could be the reason why it is not showing on your computer. Step 4. If it says disabled, right-click on Realtek HD Audio Manager and select Enable from the menu. Enabling it allows the Audio Manager to load during startup. After that, restart your computer to apply the changes properly. Step 5. If the issue is still not fixed, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. Device Manager is where you can view and manage all hardware devices connected to your computer. This tool is useful for fixing driver-related problems. Step 6. In Device Manager, expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section to see your audio devices. Here you will find Realtek High Definition Audio, which controls your system's sound. This driver is responsible for proper audio performance. Step 7. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Update Driver from the options. Updating the driver can fix bugs and compatibility issues. Drivers act as a bridge between your hardware and Windows. Step 8. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software, and Windows will look online for the latest version. If an update is available, it will install it automatically. Once the update is complete, restart your computer to check if the problem is resolved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.